Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to add chapters to your YouTube video. So to add a chapters there are several ways. The very first thing is always in the description. For example, that I want my video from 0 second to around 1 minute 34 second it should be the start. So I will just write here timestamp 0, right? I will just put a dash here and 1 minute 34 second start, right? Or you can always do something like this. You can just write here 0 134. You just don't need to add 134 here. Let me show you another option. Just press the enter and let's say here 135, right? I forgot to mention the here, and I will just write here end. So once I do this, I will just go and click on save, and when I just go to play this video, right, I will get into my, let's just video play right now. And as you can see here, that this is the start and this is the end, right? So if I just go and click on 34, automatically I will just get into the chapters, right? So this is how you can do it. It's really easy. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.